Hello guys, welcome to STG Hackers. Guys, in this video we will solve our error number 2, which is Python error in CMD. What error we are getting? I am showing you. Open CMD. Now you want to write Python version. Click on enter. It's not showing a version, it simply goes to a next run command. But why it's not opening Python? Some words it's open our Microsoft store. I will write if Python, it will open my Microsoft store and see what will happen. Now it will open my Microsoft store and goes to my Python 3.8 something. Okay, so if you are getting the same problem, what you want to do, else you are getting the problem of Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, what you want to do, first of all you want to cut it. Now you want to write python.exe. Now you want to open file location. Now you want to copy this. Now you want to cut it. Now you want to open edit environment variables. You want to click on add environment variables. Now in system variables, click on path, click on edit, click on new. Now paste your file location and click on OK, OK and OK. Now I am showing you our error has been solved. Open CMD. Now write Python, click on enter. It is showing that Python 3.9.6. okay, so in this video I have shown you how you can solve your Python error. If your Python error has not been solved, what do you want to do? You want to restart your computer, or you want to uninstall your Python and install your Python again. So thank you guys, and we will meet in the next video next time.